All right, welcome to another edition of STMA Google Sites 101. In this edition, we're just going to show you how to embed a Google Doc directly within your Google website. I find this particularly useful in the instance of, say, where I'm doing a web quest in class, and it's going to be something that will have a lot of links. And rather than typing it all up and printing it off and then having the kids, go out and having to type in the things, you can just place it directly in your website. So I'm going to assume that I already have that you already have your doc or your web quest ready to go. So I've got one right here. It's called Google Earth and Immigration, and it's just a little web quest that we do where they're using Google Earth and Google presentations and the internet and their textbook. Just a quick little web quest that they're going to be doing. So I've got it all typed up, just like you would in Microsoft Word, or you could type it up in Microsoft Word and import it here. But I've got everything done, ready to go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to my website here, and I'm just going to create a page. And I'm just going to call this page for this purpose, Immigration Web Quest, just like that. All right, so I'm just going to create it as a regular page. I'll just keep it at the top level, and I will just click Create Page. It's going to go ahead and create my page for me. I've got my Immigration Web Quest here, and now I need to get all of this material into this page here. Not going to copy and paste it. Just going to go to Insert and click Document. And then it will show me all of my documents. I could look at if I wanted to put a PowerPoint in there or a spreadsheet or a form with questions. More on all that another time. But right now, I'm just going to click Google Earth and Immigration, which was this guy right here. That's this document right here. I'm just going to click it, hit Select. And then I don't want a border around it. I don't need a title on it. My height, I'm going to set it kind of large so I don't have to scroll through, and I'll leave the width blank. And I will just click Save. And then when it comes up, you might be going, what the heck? I just tried to insert it. Not a big deal. This is how Google Sites works. You can center it on the page, but we'll just click Save, and it's going to magically appear. And there it is. That entire web quest is right here for the students to access. Let's say I want to make some changes. Maybe I'll make it, the height 1600. Click Save. Again, it's not gonna show up instantly. You have to click Save, and then there you go. So all the directions are right here. All the links that I need, that the students are gonna need, are all right here, step-by-step directions. And the best part about all this, let's say they're going through it, and a student comes up and says, "Hey, Mr. Canton, slide number 2, I don't quite understand it. It doesn't insert a map of Minnesota from Google Images. I don't quite get how to do that." Well, I'll just go over to my master copy, come down to slide number 2, and say, to do this, you need to find a topographic map, because maybe they weren't sure what type of map. All right, so I will click Save here, and then boom, those kids will refresh the page, just come out here, and then it instantly updates it automatically. I don't have to come and make the change here as well. And then of course, I can also print this out, so if students, prefer, special needs students accommodations, maybe you want to have a hard copy, you can easily print this out from here too. But everything's run right off the website. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put a link to this page, this Immigration Web Quest. So we're going to put a link to it right off on the sidebar here. So we'll just click Edit Sidebar. And then we're going to edit our navigation pane here. And then you can see those are all the regular links. I'll just add a page, and then I'm going to come find my Immigration Web Quest. I'll click OK. And then it's right down here at the bottom. I'm going to bring it right up to the top so that everyone can see it when they come to class. I'll click OK. I'll click Save Changes. And now we'll return to our website. So when the students come to class, you say, all right, class, go out to my class website. They'll know how to do that. It'll be easy. Tell them to click the Immigration Web Quest right up top. And boom, there you go. They're off and running. Everything that they need is right here on the computer. You don't have to deal with handouts and running copies and all of that good stuff. So the possibilities are pretty endless as far as embedding documents. You can put PowerPoint shows in here and everything else. So it's pretty much limited to your imagination. So I hope this helped. Good luck and have fun.